Recording. Let's go. Come on, Jacob. You'll have it.
It's a win.
Really?
Zach, back up. Your baby. Back up.
Oh, this is good. Can you back up a little bit? Hold on, don't jump. Let's get a perfect shot.
Careful, Zach.
Jacob Johnson. Ready for the jump. He jumps off this amazing cliff. Should I take a video of me just jumping out?
Yeah, why not? Put it around your wrist.
Oh, it floats.
Okay.
I'll just hold on to it.
Yeah.
Will the impact make it go psh, and explode?
Now take a selfie while jumping.
There you go. Take a selfie while jumping.
Okay, here we go. There's the water. Jump. About to jump off this amazing cliff. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Jacob. Joseph is ready to go.
Are you Zach?
Yes, I'm ready. Yeah. Okay, now we're on a different cliff.
Go.
Operation Big Boy.
You have to jump
right?
like
Yeah. Okay.
Go like this. Go like this.
Operation Big Boy. Okay. So you have to get down here.
Okay, ready? Are you really? Are you videoing?
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Don't push me.
I'm not gonna push you.
Okay.
Yeah, don't push anybody. Okay, 1,
Okay.
2,
All right.
3. Operation Big Boy.
Operation Big Boy. Okay. Move. Okay. All of us go in. Yeah. You're not gonna go? Oh, you suck. All right. Here we go.
Ready? Operation Big Boy.
Here we go.
Operation Big Boy. 3, 2, 1.
Didn't mean to turn on the flash. Ew! Yes! MLG!
You want me to go up for a second?
Oh, whoa! Man! That's way too neat.
Here, Zach, I'm going. I'll just do it.
I didn't even touch that. Oh crap. Oh, Billy and I just jumped in. Oh yeah. Oh, big boy.
Dude, wait. Billy, don't go up. Don't freaking big ball. Sailing ball.
Come on, Vaughn. Jump. 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 Jump! Oh! Holy crap! Big splash. Say hi to camera, Billy.
Hi. Hey, Billy, I'm gonna jump from right here.
Okay, you better jump far and get a little running start. Hold on! Hold on! Yeah. Hold on!
A vertical jump right there. I'm just gonna go.
Boom!
It's gonna be like,
We just go.
hey, Billy, hit me on the camera.
Well, I don't want to.
Give it to me. You ready?
Give it to me! Please, let me see. Here.
No, where's he going?
Come on.
You ready?
I'll do a vertical if you just...
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So you haven't.
Oh! Did he fall on his butt?
That stone, Steve. I didn't even touch it, yo.
You went past it.
Oh God, wow.
Here, try going underwater and just swimming downwards. See how
No.
far it goes.
Thanks, man. I don't want to touch that stuff.
I like that route.
That stuff has fleas. Ron, that's what's going to happen.
Go, hurry.
Oh my God.
Jump, Xander.
No, I'm not jumping yet.
Well, why are you being a little girl?
I'm just going to keep going off that one until I get the face.
Ow. Hurry up, Zach. We must do this. The amazing jump.
Go, Alex, now.
No, don't rush him.
Don't rush him. Are you going to drop the camera in? It'd be cool.
Here it comes.
3, 2, 1. Watch out!
Oh, that was amazing.